Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Explore with Tyagi. In this video I'll show you how to fly a drone legally in Poland, what you must do before flying, and what fines or even prison terms can apply if you break the law. The drone I'm using is the DJI Mini4K. It weighs about 246 grams, just under the 250g threshold, and that's important for registration and open category rules. In Poland, every drone operator must register in the National Drone Information System, KSID/Droni, gov.pl. This is the official place to register as an operator and access online training. Registration is required for drones from 250G but also for lighter ones with a camera, so you still need it. After registering, you'll get an operator ID, and you must stick that ID number on your drone. In the open category, you need at least A1, A3 qualifications. That means completing the online training and passing the online exam, 40 questions. You need 75% to pass. You can do it directly in the KSID portal. For category A2, there's extra training and a practical exam. Maximum allowed height in open category is 120 m above ground AGL. In A3, keep a safe distance from people and buildings, often 150 m from urban areas. Always keep the drone within visual line of sight. Check restricted zones, airports, CTR areas, military zones. Show a map of drone radar/PANSA. Before flying, check the official tools, PANSA UTM/drone radar. Some flights must be logged or approved. Breaking drone laws has real consequences. Fines from a few hundred zloty up to 15,000 zloty. Criminal liability under Polish aviation law. In serious cases you can face up to 5 years imprisonment, for example, flying in controlled airspace without permission and endangering air traffic. Register as operator and put ID on your drone. Pass A1, A3 online exam. Always check the map and notify if needed, PANSA/drone radar. Fly within line of sight, avoid crowds and private property. Where to learn more? Links in the description. Official portal Droni, gov.pl, Civil Aviation Authority, EASA rules, and DJI Mini4K manual. Check those sources and take the exam before flying. If you'd like, I can make a separate video showing the step-by-step registration process and how to pass the A1, A3 exam. Let me know in comments and subscribe.